Hi there, my name is Fran Allen, holistic skin therapist and nutritionist here at Province Apothecary. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own custom clay mask. We're going to be using our Detoxifying and Clarifying Clay Mask formula to make a mask perfectly suited to my skincare needs. Let's get started. I'm going to use some of our dry formula and add it to the bowl. Then, because my skin's feeling particularly dry and dehydrated, I'm going to add a few key ingredients, like this raw honey, and a couple of pumps of our nourishing and revitalizing moisturizer. From there, I'm going to gently add a little bit of water to create a paste. We'll blend this all together until we reach the desired consistency. We want the mask to feel creamy and hydrating. Once the mask has reached the desired consistency, apply an even layer to damp skin. Let the mask sit on the skin for about 5 to 10 minutes and then remove with a warm wet face cloth. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this inspires you to make your own easy custom mask at home.